From the onset, I think people are going to fall in love with the classic architecture here. Habitat is a picturesque build and it sits beautifully and very conveniently on Ashgrove Avenue. Apartment 302 is contemporary and it's stylish. What I love about it is it flows across one level. The master bedroom's quite separated, which is really nice, and there's an abundance of natural light and a beautiful outlook to the mountains. What also sets this property apart is there's 2 secure car spaces and also a lift in the building. Ashgrove really is one of Brisbane's most livable cities, and from this address it's just a short walk into the village and it's a nice flat walk as well.